This AI has the power to recreate any viral short video with incredible accuracy. In simple terms, provide any viral short video, product image, few prompts, and reproduce it for your own brand, maintaining the same style, the same flow, and the same impact, but enhanced with your brand identity and customized improvements. As you can see on the screen, this is the original video, and this is the AI-generated recreation, almost identical, yet refined. The tool behind this magic is Topview AI, and today we're diving into its standout feature, the Topview Video Agent built on OpenAI Sora 2, ensuring realistic and cinematic quality. With this feature, you can simply recreate viral videos without any editing. AI will efficiently take care of all your tasks for your brand video in just a few clicks. It's fast, effortless, and extremely powerful for creators and businesses. So let's go step by step and test how well it performs. I've added the link in the description. Feel free to visit the Topview AI website and try it yourself. Once you land on the website, you'll see a clean and intuitive interface. From this screen, you can easily sign up using your Google account, Apple account, or any valid email address. For this demonstration, I'll continue with the Google sign-up option. After completing the sign-up process, you'll be taken to the Topview AI main dashboard, where a powerful suite of tools becomes available. Avatar 4. Create high-quality, hyper-realistic avatars from a photo and script. Product Avatar. Generate avatars that showcase your products in a visually appealing way. Design My Avatar. Build your own fully customized and realistic AI avatar. Video Avatar. Ideal for YouTube creators and podcasters to generate AI-powered voice and lip-sync avatars. Viral Video Agent. Recreate any viral video in your own branding and style with just a few clicks. Avatar Marketing Video. Quickly produce professional marketing ads using AI-driven avatars. AI Image. Generate high-quality images using Nano Banana Pro's advanced image engine. Character Swap. Replace yourself or any character inside a video with another character seamlessly. All these features are truly impressive. But today, our primary focus is the Viral Video Agent, the tool that lets you recreate top-performing viral videos in seconds. Once you click on the Viral Video Agent, you'll see a user-friendly interface where viral videos magic begin. Viral Video Agent feature offering a wide library of ready-to-use viral videos. You can select any of these templates to recreate viral content effortlessly. It's very simple and easy to use. Additionally, the creation bar at the top allows you to generate a viral video from scratch. Simply upload a reference video or paste a YouTube link, provide an image and prompt, and the tool will recreate it for you in the same style. Now let's walk through the entire process step by step. I found a viral video. Now I'm going to use that clip as my reference video. Let's move to the creation panel. Here I'll click on reference video and upload the file. As soon as the upload is complete, the tool automatically generates a prompt based on the video, which is incredibly convenient. Once the video is uploaded, simply click the Generate button. This will start the video creation process. The system has already begun working according to the prompt and has prepared a video creation brief for you to review. Let's go through it carefully. First, it has automatically added the product name. Right below that, we need to upload our product image, so I'll add mine here. Next, we have customization options for the video. For target user, it has selected men, which is perfect for this product. Under product selling points, it has highlighted luxury scents. Again, spot on. Moving down, we have the target country, where I'll keep it set to the United States. For script language, I'll select English, but you can choose from multiple languages depending on your audience. Then you can choose your video ratio. And for short-form content, I'm selecting 9:16. You can also decide the video duration. I'll go with 15 seconds, which is ideal for short, impactful videos. Once everything is set, click on Confirm. At this stage, Topview Video Agent analyzes all the input files and generates a dedicated task to create your video. Before the final output is produced, you can review your complete video details here, product information, video brief, and more. If everything looks perfect, click on Generate the video to finalize the output. The rendering process typically takes between 5 to 20 minutes, so we'll wait for it to finish and then review the result. And finally, as you can see, the video is ready. Let me play it for you.
If you're looking for a scent that screams confidence, you have to check this out. This is Bella Vita's Luxury Magnetic for Him. The scent is just incredible. A powerful masculine fragrance that lasts all day. Honestly, this makes me feel unstoppable.
The results are truly impressive. The product consistency is flawless. I uploaded this exact product image, and the final video shows the same product with perfect accuracy. Now let me show you a side-by-side comparison of the original video and the recreated version. This is the real aha moment of Topview Video Agent. The tool doesn't copy the original video's style. The background is different, the character is different, yet the product remains exactly the same. It recreates videos with a level of precision that's honestly hard to believe. This tool is exceptional, and I recommend trying it out yourself. I've added the link in the description below. If you need any help with Topview Video Agent or video creation in general, feel free to drop your questions in the comments. I'll definitely respond. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss upcoming tutorials on powerful AI tools. See you in the next video.